slide also has to talk about the risks and then the return comparison. And this is very interesting. Okay. Many people do not know about this, and then they jump into investment. And it's sad because before you invest, you have to understand that risk comes with investment. Just as you are looking for return, you should also consider risks. Yeah. Because the higher the risks, the higher the return. So if you are looking for an investment that will fetch you more return, like equities, you could see that equity is at the higher return margin, therefore higher risk.
Is higher.
Yes. And then if you also look at bonds and money market like treasury bills, fixed deposits, it's lower. Therefore, the returns are also lower.
Are you going to explain these investments
to
us?
We will go into that. Yeah.
Okay.
So now, these are the markets anyone can invest into, traditional markets. There is no investment outside these four. Yeah. So we have the fixed income market, the stock market, mutual funds, and then the alternative. Talking about the fixed income market, the simple understanding of the fixed income market, which is in the next slide, has to do with all instruments or all investments that has two things. First of all, they have fixed duration, and then they have fixed return.
Okay.
So it means that before you put your money into treasury bills, they will tell you we have 3 months, 6 months, and then 1 year.
Okay.
The 6 months or the 3 months is going for 9%. 6 months is going for 12%. 1 year is going for 12 months is going for this percent. So it has fixed duration.
Right.
And then it has fixed interest.
So you're certain that when I invest in 3 months, I'm making this amount of money. It's specific.
Exactly.
Okay.
So that's why we call it fixed income market.
Okay.
So treasury bill does same, fixed deposit does same, and then bonds and commercial papers does same. So someone may ask, what is treasury bill? Let me try and break them down. Treasury bill basically is you giving your money to the government, and then the government gives you back your money with interest.
Okay. So lending money to the government.
Exactly.
Basically. Okay.
Exactly. And that's an investment. And then we have fixed deposits, and that is lending money to the banks.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's just the government and the banks. The one who is more secure is the government.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course. Okay.
And then we have bonds. Bonds, we have corporate bonds and we have government bonds. So the government one is lending money to the government, and the corporate one is for businesses.
Okay.
And then we have commercial papers. It works just like the bonds, but most of the times they are 1 year or minimum maybe 2-3 years. Yes. But
all bonds, these are fixed.
They are all fixed.
Okay.
They all have fixed returns and they all have fixed duration. So this one comes with a very low risk. So when I say low risk, you should know that because it is low risk, you are getting low returns.
Okay.
So you prepare your mind for that.
Okay.
Then